At the end of episode 4, a guy comes up to Jaeon and punches him. This guy is definitely related to a girl Jaeon must have played with during the past. This whole situation reminded me of Taylor Swift's song
I knew you were trouble when you walked in.
Like the whole lyrics of the song fits Nabi and Jaeon's situation. In this scene, Nabi confronts Jaeon and drops hints too that she has started feeling for him and would want them to have a relationship. She says that her ex-boyfriend visited her and was saying that you shouldn't be keeping such a relationship with this guy. Date him properly instead. To all this, Jaeon says, so what? For him, none of this matters. Nabi is shocked to see that Jaeon isn't even a slight bit angry or jealous about her ex-boyfriend. So Nabi now knows what importance she has in his life. She's just there for his pleasure. So in episode 5, Nabi will definitely be distancing herself from Jaeon and will try to stay away from him as much as she possibly can. It's time for Nabi to realize her worth. But of course, the process of staying away from Jaeon and forgetting him altogether wouldn't be easy at all. Even though he was never hers, but she has started feeling for him and her heart accepted Jaeon as someone more than just a friend with benefits. Now every single thing inside her room reminds her of him because he was literally everywhere inside her house. But is Jaeon feeling the same? Jaeon will definitely not easily back down. We will all, including Nabi, will be fooled in the next episode by Jaeon because he will be making efforts to win back Nabi. But it would definitely be his player instincts, and people like Jaeon don't like to be rejected, and when Nabi would do that, he'll get competitive. Jaeon will finally see Nabi with the second lead, Doohyuk. Doohyuk will continue to act as a respectful guy and will make Nabi smile. I think when Nabi will be going through a hard time while forgetting Jaeon, Doohyuk will be there to cheer her up. About Seoji-won and Yunseo, I think Seoji-won has feelings of more than just a friend for Yunseo. A friend wouldn't get angry just because their friend brought a guy with them. Ji-won won't be able to express her true emotions, but a part of me thinks that both the girls do have some feelings. The scene where they are playing the bottle game and they had to kiss, we can see Yunseo is flustered, and Yunseo didn't particularly seem like she's into the guy whom she dropped coffee on. So there is a possibility we get to see a gay relationship. Recently, a Korean drama, Mine, showed a very positive development of a lesbian relationship. So I think Korea is gradually opening up and we might actually see a relationship between Ji-won and Yunseo. Do you guys ship them or not? Regarding Bitna and Kyuhyun, I think Bitna will continue to feel jealous of every girl around Kyuhyun, which will eventually make her realize that she actually doesn't want to let go of Kyuhyun. Bitna will definitely not enjoy her meaningless blind dates and would keep on thinking about Kyuhyun, and thus she'll eventually go to Kyuhyun, but not sure if their relationship will progress in episode 5. Maybe it will take more episodes for them to finally be together. I find them really cute together. Do you guys ship them too? Coming back to Nabi and Jaeon, Jaeon will try to make those physical contacts like touching Nabi on the face and caressing her head, but Nabi still won't budge. Jaeon will realize that this method will not work anymore. He will try to make her jealous by being around other girls, but that wouldn't work either. Then Jaeon will try the deadliest weapon, and that is to be what Nabi wanted him to be. Remember the first time Jaeon and Nabi slept together? Jaeon had his hair down and Nabi told Jaeon that she likes his hair like this. In the next episode preview, we can see that Jaeon has put his hair down. It is to make Nabi's heart flutter. Furthermore, Jaeon will pretend to Nabi that he has started feeling jealous of the boys around her. This will confuse Nabi so much and her heart will want to go back to Jaeon. But will Nabi get fooled by the tactics of Jaeon, or will she understand his true intentions and stay away? What do you think? Comment down below with your thoughts and views. I'm really curious to know what are people's opinions on this drama. Thank you so much for watching, drama family. Take care and I'll see you all with another video. Bye bye.